आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is find dy by dx when x is equals to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square and y is equals to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay. So for finding the dy by dx, okay, I have to find dy by dx. So here y is also in terms of t, x is also in terms of t. So I can write here dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay. So I can write here. So this is our x. Okay. So I have to first find dx by dt. Okay. So if we have, this is u by v form. So d by dx of u by v is equals to u dash into v minus v into u, v dash into u upon v square. Okay. So by applying this formula, the differentiation of this because this is also in u by v form, assume u is to be first function and v is to be second function. Okay. So the differentiation of first function, that is 1 minus t square, is 0 minus 2t, and keep second function as it is, that is 1 plus t square minus. Okay. So the differentiation of second function is 1 plus t. The differentiation of 1 plus t square is 0 plus 2t, and keep first function as it is, that is 1 minus t square upon denominator square, that is 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. So on simplifying it, I can write here minus 0 minus 2t is minus 2t, and minus 2t is 1 into 1 is minus 2t, and minus 2t into t square is minus 2t cube, and here it is minus, and 0 plus 2t is plus 2t, plus 2t into minus is minus 2t, and minus 2t into 1 is minus 2t. Okay. And minus 2t into minus t square is minus minus plus, and 2t cube upon 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. So from here 2t cube and 2t cube gets cancelled, and the remaining part is minus 4t upon 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. So this is the value of dx by dt, and I have to find dy by dt. Okay. So this is the value of y. Okay. So the value of dy by dt is equal to, okay, by applying this formula, this is u and this is v. This is first function, this is a second function. So the differentiation of 2t, that is first function, is 2 into 1 plus t square. Okay. Keep second function as it is, minus the differentiation of second function is the differentiation of 1 is 0, plus the differentiation of t square is 2t, into keep first function as it is, that is 2t upon denominator square. So that is 1 plus t square whole square. On simplifying, I can write here 2 plus 2t square minus, okay, 0 plus 2t is 2t, 2t into minus is minus 2t, minus 2t into 2t is minus 4t square. So here it is minus 4t square upon 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. So I can also write it as 2 minus 2t square upon 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. So I have to find dy by dx, okay, which is equals to dx dy by dt, okay, which is equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt, and the value of dy by dt is this. So I can write here 2 minus 2t square upon 1 plus t square whole square upon, so this is our the value of dx by dt. So I can write here minus 4t upon 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. So 1 plus t square whole square and 1 plus t square whole square gets cancelled, and from here also I take minus 2 as common, from here also I take minus 2 as common. Okay. So here the remaining part is from here I take minus 2 as common, so the remaining part is t square minus 1. Okay. And from here also I take t minus 2 as common, so it is minus 2 into 2t. So minus 2 gets cancelled, so the remaining part is t square minus 1 upon 2t. This is the answer of given question. Okay. So thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।